You're watching Camilla Ali TV.
Hey guys, so I wanted to share with you some different stitches that you can use for sewing stretch fabric, swimsuit fabric, any kind of stretch knits. I am actually hemming the bottom of these pants. I'm making some capris for swimming. So this is a swimsuit fabric. I'm not lining it, but I'm making some capris, and I was trying to find a good way to do my hem on the bottom without just folding it over twice and doing a straight stitch. I don't have I have an overlock machine, but I don't have a cover stitch machine. If you have a cover stitch machine, then you'll be able to do all that stuff on that particular machine. Sometimes I just don't feel like pulling out my serger, so I want to get my project done on the sewing machine. So I just was kind of like playing around with different stitches on my machine, and this is what I came up with. So this is actually going to be what it looks like on the outside. This is what it looks like on the inside. So it almost gives you that overlock feel without it being an overlock machine. I mean the cover stitch machine, I'm sorry. So here is the stitch that I'm using. Number 21, that is the stitch that I'm using. This is a stitch that you can use when sewing stretched fabrics. If you don't want to use a traditional zigzag stitch, you have 3 different zigzags. So this is a good stitch to use when you're using stretch or knit fabrics. You also have this stitch here. This is another stitch that's good for stretch fabrics, and number 3, you can use that for stretch fabrics as well. So just was trying to share that information with you guys. If you do have just on a sewing machine and you want to have a professional look for your pieces, those are the stitches that you can use when sewing with stretch fabric. Okay guys, so I hope this was helpful to anyone that is out here sewing or learning to sew, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.